In the era of digital technology, frequent eye issues include dry eyes, eye strain, and increased power in spectacles in children less than 10 years old as a result of prolonged usage of computers or mobile screens. Encouraging eye health in the face of prolonged screen usage is essential to reducing these problems. Tips to keep eyes healthy in digital age. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Giving your eyes regular breaks from digital devices is one of the best ways to preserve eye health. This rule states that you should stare at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds for every 20 minutes that you spend on a device. The eye muscles can relax and eye strain can be lessened with this easy exercise. Sleep for longer. For people who spend a lot of time on screens, getting enough sleep is crucial for maintaining good eye health in general. For well-rested and less prone to straining eyes, aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Sleeping well promotes natural lubrication of the eyes and shields them from dryness. Decrease font size. According to Dr. Dheeraj Gupta, Senior Consultant, Ophthalmology, Marengo Asia Hospital, Gurugram, when interacting with digital content, decrease the font size to prevent packing too much information into the screen. This might result in needless staring and squinting, which makes eye strain worse. Instead, to make reading and viewing more pleasant, enlarge the font and change the screen's settings. Use larger display. Change to larger displays whenever you can. For instance, using a laptop rather than a tablet for academics and watching videos on a tablet instead of a phone can both greatly lessen eye strain. Larger screens result in larger text and visuals, which lessens the need for extended close-up viewing and intense focus. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is just another crucial component of eye health. Dehydration may be a factor in eye dryness and discomfort. To keep your body and eyes hydrated throughout the day, sip on lots of water. Lubricating eye drops. Those who suffer from chronic dry eyes may find that lubricating drops help. Use them as directed by a qualified eye care specialist to maintain pleasant and moist eyes. You can prioritize and maintain eye health in the digital era by putting these ideas into practice, taking regular breaks, making sure you get enough sleep, avoiding small font sizes, using larger displays, staying hydrated, and using lubricating eye drops. These techniques not only aid in short-term discomfort relief but also support long-term eye health, ensuring that your eyesight stays appealing and clear even after prolonged screen use.